Okay, so welcome back to another video. I'm going to walk you guys down today's trade I took on the NASDAQ today. And this was a demo account trade that I took on the NASDAQ because today is a Friday. And yeah, so as you can see here, the NASDAQ literally just tapped into this 15-minute bullish fair value gap right there. And you can see right there, before that, we have an SMT. The S&P 500 took out those London highs, but the NASDAQ hasn't taken out London highs yet. So we are having a bearish SMT here. And here you can see we are really having some reaction off of that 15-minute fair value gap. And here I am taking my buy position because I am seeing that fair value gap getting inversed. I want to see it get inversed. That's why I took my buy trade right there. Besides, we also created the sell side. We also took out sell side liquidity on the NASDAQ, but we haven't done that on the S&P 500. So still we have a bullish S&P, right? And yeah, so I'm targeting those highs right there. That was supposed to be my first target, by the way, but since price hit it before I even set my TP right there, so I just had to keep it right there. And then my second TP and my third TP, while I'm aiming buy side to be my final take profit right there. So let's see what happens right there. So the fair value gap has been inversed. I am canceling the SMT because we no longer have an SMT. The NASDAQ also has taken the London highs. And yeah, so this fair value gap right there, I am about to draw out. I'm treating this as a breakaway gap. I do not want to see price react or come back into that fair value gap until we take out those buy side liquidities. So here the S&P 500 was moving and pushing so high, way faster than the NASDAQ. So I was really expecting NASDAQ to follow through with that. Yeah. So here I'm literally just explaining, writing it down that it's actually a paper execution trade today. And there TP1 got hit, TP2 got hit right now. Stops to break even, keeping my stops just at the 8:30 open. Yeah, so that's TP3 right there. I'm training my stops now just above the other block we have right there. And also we see we have another bullish fair value gap just above the other block right there. Yeah, so as you can see here, the S&P has taken out the previous day highs while we're yet to do so on the NASDAQ. And we just created another bullish fair value gap here. And I'm expecting to see price respect that gap and push higher. And here you can see I'm trying to put my stop loss just at the consequent encroachment of the fair value gap just below the bullish fair value gap that we have above us. And that's where my stop loss is right now. Yeah, so we just tapped into that gap. I'm expecting to see that gap take us higher. Yes, I'm checking my stop loss just beneath that swing low that we had there. Also inside that fair value gap too. Yeah, so I got stopped out at break even, but it's alright. All my three take profit got hit. Just the last one got stopped at break even. And as you can see here, we made over $100 on the demo account today. Yeah, so that was basically today's trade. And I'll see you guys next time. And until then, peace.